This video I'm going to show you how you can fade your videos to black in Filmora. So if you want to fade in or fade out in black, it is pretty much simple in Filmora. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking my video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so for instance, I want to go ahead and add a fade out here such that it ends with black. All you need to do is to move the playhead at where you want the fade to begin. And for my case, I want it to fade out from here. So go ahead and click on this edit once you have selected the transition position, and then go ahead and click on composition, and here you can see opacity. Now we want to begin at this, so I'll go ahead and make the opacity at this section 100, and I'd like this to end at this, the fade out to end at the end. So at this end we want it to be at 0 such that it will become black like that, and then we add another playhead there. So if I move our playhead here and then play, you can see how that fade out turns to black like that. So that is it, it has faded out to black. Now if you want the transition to be slower or faster, you can just go ahead and move this playheads. If I move it closer, then the fade out, it will take much shorter time like this. Now we can also go ahead and add a fade in at the beginning. So for that, just move this, the playhead at the beginning, and then go ahead again here and click first on the timeline, and then go ahead and click on edit here, and then again under composition, go ahead and add a keyframe at the point of beginning for your fade in. Then go ahead and move your playhead to the end location where you want the fade in to take place, and go ahead move the opacity to 0 like that, and that is it. So if we play now the whole clip, you can see it will begin with a fade in at that point. So you can make this shorter or longer according to your own preferences. You can also adjust this as you wish. So that's how you can add fade in and fade out in black on your videos in Filmora. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.